Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm back with the part 5 video for building a rock paper scissors game. In the last time we almost done the project. I show you how can we print it out if the person are one or not, and then in the last part I show you how can we code if the person are want to play as much as he want, and I show you that in the code. And then in today's video I'm going to show you how can we score the loss and the win, and then also the tie game, and I'll show you that in the code. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back with the code. And the last time we left off almost we done every thing that we need to build. We can print it out how many we can adjust how many times to user to play the game, and then also we can score it. We're not score it, but we can show if the person are one or not. But now in today's video I will going to show you how can we print it out after we done the scoring. After we done if the person are one or not, and we can do that by doing this one. Okay, we can do that by doing that. We need to have three variables for three scoring method. Let's say for one we have tie game. I just do it only tie, and then I will say it 0, and then for winning I will say again 0, and then for lose I will say L, and then I'll say 0. And then if you see my question and answer project, as previously I uploaded in this YouTube channel, you understand it. I hope you understand it, how the scoring is work in Python. And I will explain it well, but I'm not going to explain it like I did in the past project video. If you want that video you can watch it, but I also going to explain it well. Okay, what we want to do is if the person choice, if the user or person choice and the Python choice that we create here randomly are equal, we want to add for t 1, so we can say t equal to t t plus 1. We can do that. And then also if the user is 1, we want to add for w, so we can add for w like we did here. And then let's just do it formative way, and then I will copy this, and then I will paste for those two, because here if the user is choice S and P, we will going to win. Same as here, it will going to win, but here it will going to be lose, so we want to add for loss. And then I will show you why we doing that. Okay, 1. Okay, so that's it. And then after that we can print it out after the range of this player that want to play. After the players finishing playing, but also we can also print it out when the person are playing, and then when losing when he's finishing only one winning or losing, we can print it out here under the for loop, but it will going to be filled out with those type those characters, so we don't want that to happen. So we if you are following me building with me, you can do that, or you can do that under the for loop, or you can do that outer of the for loop, but I'm going to do outer of the for loop. So we can print it out. I show you how the if and the strings are work together. We can add variables under the strings. We can do that by using this bracket, and we can use this bracket, and then we can put wherever variable we want to put here to print it out as a string. And let's write u1, and then we want to print out w stand for 1, u1 times, maybe if it is only 1, I hope you will understand that. Okay, after this is going to create a new line for us, and then we can say u last l times, and then we need a new line again, and then we can say u tie t, right, times and then before we start we need a new line just to see visibly, and let's check it out. Let's run it, and I hope we did so many modifying here, and let's see here. Okay, it's printed out welcome to rock paper scissors game, and how many times do you want to play? Let's say 4 now, 5 times. Okay, put R for rock. Okay, I'll just randomly choose R. Okay, I lost. Okay, P again, I lost. S again. Okay, P tie game. Okay, S. Okay, I lost. As you can see here, it printed out a very formative way. It have a space before it printed out, and that's a good thing. As you can see here, it says you want 0 times, that we write it here, and you last 4 times, you tie 1 times, and I think this is not a fancy front designing, but for back programming, it is a good programming skill you can get by learning Python, and I hope you gain something from this project. We can adjust this also we can I'm going to adjust this project in the next video by just to tell if the person are want to play or not, because here it doesn't ask anything if he wants to play or not. It just ended up the program here, and we don't want that to happen. We want to if the person wanted to play, but we're not giving a chance to do that, only ask him how many times he wanted to play, and I will show you that in the next video. And I hope you learn something from this and you get some knowledge, and I hope you enjoy while you're learning this. While you're seeing me and learning this project, if you are building with me, I hope you gain good understanding of the syntax. And also I will show you guys in the next upgrade rock paper scissors game video, and I'll see you there. Goodbye.